ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to our ISKCON Bola official YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss chapter 16 of Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur gives the following summary of this chapter in his Amrit Prabha Bhasya. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to go to Vrindavan, Ramananda Raya and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya indirectly presented many obstructions. In the course of time, all the devotees of Bengal visited Jagannath Puri for the third year. This time, all the wives of Vaishnavas brought many types of food, intending to extend invitation to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Jagannath Puri. What a pleasure! When the devotees arrived, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent his blessings in the form of garlands. In that year also, the Gundicha temple was cleansed, and when the Chaturmasa period was over, all the devotees returned to their homes in Bengal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu forbade Nityananda to visit Nilachal every year. Questioned by the inhabitants of Kulinagrama, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again repeated the symptoms of Vaishnava. Vidyanidhi also came to Jagannath Puri and also saw the festival of Purana Sashti. When the devotees bade farewell to the Lord was determined to go to Vrindavan, and on the day of Vijayadashmi, he departed. Mahaprabhu from Prataprudra made various arrangements for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's trip to Vrindavan. When he crossed the river Chitrotpala, Ramananda Rai, Mardaraj, and Harichandan went with him. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested Gadadhar Pandit to return to Nilachal Jagannath Puri, but he didn't abide by their order. From Katak, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again requested Gadadhar Pandit to return to Nilachal, and he bade farewell to Ramananda Rai and from Bhadrak. After this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crossed the border of Odisha state, and he arrived at Panihate by boat, Panihati. Thereafter, he visited the house of Raga Pandit, and from there he went to Kumarhatta and eventually to Kulia, where he excused many offenders. From there, he went to Ramkali, where he saw Sirupa and Sanatan and accepted them as his chief disciples. Returning from Ramkali, he met Raghunath Das, and after giving him instructions, sent him back home. Thereafter, the Lord returned to Nilachal and began to make plans to go to Vrindavan without a companion. So, verse 72 says, Krishna nama nirantara jahara badane sei Vaishnava sreshta bhaja tahar charane. A person who is always chanting the Hari name of the Lord is to be considered a first-class Vaishnava, and your duty is to serve his lotus feet. 102. भिक्षा करी बकुल तटे तले करिला विश्राम प्रतापरुद्र ताही राय करिला प्रयाण. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking rest beneath the Bakula tree, Ramananda immediately went to Maharaj Prataprudra. 103. Suni Ananda Raja Ati Sigraila Prabhu Dekhi Dandavata Bhumite Padila. The king was very happy to hear the news, and he hastily went there. Upon seeing the Lord, he fell flat to offer him obeisances. Verse 104. Puna uthe, puna pade, pranaya vivale, stuti kare, pulakanga pade asrujala. Being overwhelmed with love, the king again and again got up and fell down. When he offered prayers, his whole body shivered and tears fell from his eyes. Verse 222. Sei Govardhaner Putra Raghunath Dasa Balyakala Haititya Vishaya Udasa. Raghunath Das was the son of Govardhan Majumdar. From childhood, he was uninterested in material enjoyment. Verse 238. Markata Vairaga Nakara Loka Dekhaya Jatha Yogya Vishaya Bhoja Anasaktahaya. You should not make yourself a show-bottle devotee and become a false renunciant. For the time being, enjoy the material world in a befitting way and do not become attached to it. 239. Antare nishtha kara bahye loko vyavhara Achirat Krishna Tamaya Kari Uddhar. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, within your heart you should keep yourself very faithful, but externally you may behave like an ordinary man. Thus Krishna will soon be very pleased and deliver you from the clutches of Maya. This way, this Madhya Lila chapter 16 is stated, and I am going to discuss chapter 17 of Madhya Lila. In this chapter, summary is given by Bhaktivinoda Thakur on his Amrita Bhasya. After attending the Rath Yatra ceremony of Sri Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu decided to start for Vrindavan. Sri Ramananda Rai and Swarup Damodar Goswami selected a Brahmana named Balabhadra Bhattacharya to personally assist the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Early in the morning before sunrise, the Lord started for the town of Kataka. North of Katak, he penetrated a dense forest and came upon many tigers and elephants whom he engaged in chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Whenever the Lord had a chance to visit a village, Balabhadra Bhattacharya would beg alms and acquire some rice and vegetables. If there are no villages, Balabhadra would cook whatever rice remained and collect some spinach from the forest for the Lord to eat. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very pleased with the behavior of Balabhadra Bhattacharya. On his way, the Lord passed through jungle of Jharikanda, now present day Jharkhand, and finally reached Varanasi. After taking his bath at the Manikarnika Ghat at Varanasi, he met Tapan Mishra, who took the Lord to his place and respectfully gave him a comfortable residence. At Varanasi, Vaidya Chandrasekhara, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's old friend, also rendered service unto him. Seeing the behavior of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, a Maharashtriya Brahmana informed Prakashananda Saraswati, the leader of the Mayavadi sannyasis. Prakashananda made various accusations against the Lord. The Maharashtrian Brahmana was very sorry about this, and he brought the news to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, inquiring from him why the Mayavadi sannyasi didn't utter the holy name of Krishna. In reply, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that they were offenders and that one should not associate with them. In this way, the Lord bestowed his blessings upon the Brahmana. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu next passed through Prayag and Mathura and then took his lunch at the home of Sanodiya Brahmana, a disciple of Madhavendra Puri. He bestowed his blessings upon the Brahmana by accepting lunch at his place. Thereafter, the Lord visited the 12 forests of Vrindavan and was filled with great ecstatic love. As he turned toward the Vrindavan forest, he heard the chirping of parrots and other birds. Sorry. So, I'll recite some of the verses from this chapter. Verse 117. Chaitanya Namatar Bhavuka Ganalaya Deshe Deshe Grame Grame Bulye Nachaya. Prakashananda Saraswati continued, I know that his name is Chaitanya and that he is accompanied by many sentimentalists. His followers dance with him and he tours from country to country and village to village. Verse 1 to 9. Prabhu kahe Mayavadi Krishna Aparadhi Brahma Atma Chaitanya kahe Niravadi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, the Mayavadi impersonators are great offenders unto Lord Krishna, therefore they simply uttered the words Brahman, Atma and Chaitanya. Verse 130. Ateva tar mukhe naya se Krishna Nama Krishna Swarupa Dvaita Saman. Because they are offenders unto Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is identical with his holy name, the holy name Krishna doesn't manifest in his mouth. Verse 131. Nama Vigraha Swarupa Tina Eka Rupa Tina Vede Nahi Tina Chidananda Rupa. The Lord's holy name, his form and his personality are all one and the same. There is no difference between them. Since all of them are absolute, they are all transcendental blissful. 132. Deha Deira Nama Namira Krishna Nai Veda Jivera Dharma Nama Deha Swarupi Viveda. There is no difference between Krishna's body and himself. or between his name and himself. But as far as the conditioned soul is concerned, one's name is different from one's body, from one's original form, and so on. 134. अतएव कृष्णेर नाम देह विलास प्राकृतेन्द्रिय ग्राह्य नये हय स्वप्रकाश. The holy name of Krishna, his body and his pastimes cannot be understood by the blunt material senses. They are manifested independently. Verse 135. कृष्ण नाम कृष्ण गुण कृष्ण लीला वृंद कृष्णेर स्वरूप सम सब सिदानंद. Krishna's holy name, transcendental qualities and transcendental pastimes are all equal to Lord himself, and they are all spiritual and full of bliss. 184. प्रभु का श्रुति स्मृति जत ऋषिगण सबे एकमत नहे भिन्न भिन्न धर्म. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, the Vedas, Puranas and great learned sages are not always in agreement with one another. Consequently, there are different religious principles. 185. धर्म स्थापन हेतु साधुर व्यवहार पुरी गोसाई रजय आचरण से धर्म सार. A devotee's behavior establishes the true purpose of religious principles. The behavior of Madhavendra Puri Goswami is the essence of such religious principles. Verse 209. सुख सारिका प्रभुर हाथे उड़ी पड़े. प्रभु के सुनाया कृष्ण रे गुण श्लोक पढ़े. Both parrots are flew unto the hand of the Lord and began to chant the transcendental qualities of Krishna, and the Lord listened to them. In this way, there is Sukha and Sari Sambar, and that is described in this chapter. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our channel, and get the blessings of Lord. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare